Hi everybody, I'm Bill,
I'm Nancy.
and welcome to our channel,
The
The Thin
Thin
Blue
Blue
Lane.
Lane.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, The Thin Blue Lane. I'm your host, Nancy, and as I promised, here is my second video on my follow-up for my Halloween stuff. As you can see, I have all of my decorations right here. I'm going to be doing a breakdown for you guys, and that way you can see everything that I have. And that's pretty much everything you need. You don't need a whole lot to be able to decorate your house for the holidays. So come around with me and let me show you a quick view of what I have. Okay guys, here is pretty much, well, not pretty much, everything that I used on Halloween to decorate my house. And from my past video, like I told you guys, you do not need a lot of money or go and spend lots of cash on fancy decorations. I mean, all of these I've picked up at the dollar store or Walmart or ordered online, and it's been fabulous. And I mean, if you just collect, a little bit here and there, especially after the holidays, you get pretty much everything for 50% off. And if you can wait, a year or two to build your stash and have it for your house, then you end up saving a lot more money. There's their stickers that I told you guys about that you put on the fridge and it makes a big difference. That one right there, it's a tablecloth for outside, and so are those that I mean, look at the price, see $1.44. I told you guys. The soap dispensers, I got those for $1, and those are the cutest thing. I mean, look at that, and it's $1, and it's plastic, you guys, so it's refillable, and if you're in your rig and it falls, you do not have to worry about it breaking. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed it. Well guys, thank you for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you liked, especially if you like, what I'm doing with the holidays and things like that. If you would like to see something else, feel free to share this video and give us a like. And also, if you have any ideas, or if you have also decorated your RV for the holidays, send me a picture in the comments. I would love to see what you're doing and what your house looks like. So thanks again, you guys, and stick around for the next episode of The Thin Blue Lane.
Hey, Nancy and I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see here.